how to get invisible username on Discord. So if you want to get invisible username on your Discord, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser. On your browser, you need to search for Discord and go with discord.com. Once you click on that, it will take you to the official website. Now go with Open Discord, which will be in the top right, and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, now you need to go with the bottom left, which has that user settings option. Click on that, and under your account info section, you will have username. You need to go with the username. On the right side, you will have the edit option. Click on edit, and here you need to remove the username that you previously had and then paste another invisible text, which is you need to go with a new tab, and here you need to search for invisible text or invisible character. Now click on copy to clipboard. Once it has been copied, you need to go back to your Discord and paste it right here. After pasting, go with your password. You need to enter your current password and then go with done, which will be on the bottom, and your username will be changed. That's how you can get invisible username on your Discord. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.